Hi and welcome everybody, my name is Markus Haubert and today I'm on the road again for Mercedes-Benz vans. And guys, I'm really excited because today it's time for my first test drive with the new X-Class. 3 months ago we had the chance to catch a first glance of the new X-Class, but we didn't have the opportunity to drive it on our own. So I'm pretty curious to see how good the new X-Class actually is. And the best, we are here in beautiful Chile near Santiago, which is really a perfect playground for the newest member of the Mercedes-Benz Vans family. So let's go for it. The design of the X-Class is an absolutely brand-typical SUV design by Mercedes-Benz, and the X-Class offers very high comfort in this segment and lots of space for the passengers. And of course, the interior is of very good haptics and very high quality processed. In addition, the X-Class provides the widest choice of materials and colors in this segment. So there are, for example, 3 different trim parts for the cockpit, 6 different seat covers and 2 color options for the roofline. The X-Class has a very wide track, coil springs and a damping system that is tuned to the comfort level typical for Mercedes-Benz. So the X-Class drives and feels just like a passenger car. And, you might hear it, it is so quiet in here, so the noise level is quite low. That's really not that bad. What also convinces me is the extensive standard safety equipment. In addition to 7 airbags, the standard equipment includes, for example, the traffic sign assist, the active brake assist and the lane keeping assist. So that's pretty much for the standard equipment. But the X-Class does not only offer a lot of fun and driving dynamics on the road, it can also be seen as a kind of an all-rounder off the track. With its MATIC 4-wheel drive and the low-range gearing and the optional differential lock on the rear axle, it can handle almost any situation in the off-road sector. So the X-Class does not only look like that, it is a real Mercedes-Benz. It's suitable for numerous applications and it convinces both on the track and off the track. In the middle of 2018, the top-of-the-range V6 diesel engine will be released, ensuring even greater performance. And of course, we will then keep you posted as well. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.